Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. My name is Ryan Reeves, and this is a meat candy production. This year for Thanksgiving at my house, we decided to kick it up a notch. Everybody loves turkey, but we are going to go with the turducken. It's time. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, many years, but this is it. So we've got our duck right here and our chicken. Look at those bad boys. They're ready to go. And we got the big guy over here, the big turkey. I'm going to debone these right now and begin the process of building the turducken. Turkey, stuffing, duck, stuffing, chicken, stuffing, and then we're going to tie it all together. Can't wait. It's going to be extra tasty. All right, wow, that was a lot of work, but I finally got the chicken, the duck, and the turkey all deboned. If you come closer here and you take a look at this, you'll see that honestly the duck and the chicken kind of look a little bit like a mess, but that's okay because it's going to be inside the turducken and you're not going to see it. The turkey here, it's held together pretty darn good. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to inject the turkey breast, and then I'm going to put some seasoning on it all, and then I'm going to start to build the turducken. All right, here we go. All right, so I've got the turducken on the smoker now. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what it looks like. This is my master built vertical propane smoker. There's our turducken. Gonna go for about 350 degrees, about 5.5 to 6 hours. Well, happy Thanksgiving again. It is finally time to get into this turducken. It's been off the smoker right now for about 45 minutes, resting right here. It spent about 5 hours and 45 minutes on the smoker. So now I'm going to take loose all of the binding here, and we will get ready to cut into the turducken here for the very first time. Plenty of string on this bad boy. Needed that to get it all to hold together. Make sure we got it all off. One more here on the leg. That guy out of the way there. Nothing back here. Little string here. This thing smells so good. Okay. All right. You ready for this? Take a look here. Okay, go right across the middle. This is the moment of truth. Oh, looks like I caught the guy. Look at that turducken. See all the steam coming off. Come closer over here so you can really see. You got the turkey breast, the tenderloins. There's your duck, and then there's your chicken down there. Wow. Looking at it first glance, I think we could use a little bit more stuffing, but for a first go, this thing should be excellent.